about another nice street rod in here at Unique, especially in classics? This particular one, 1947 Ford Deluxe convertible street rod. Black in color, beautiful mahogany leather interior. 327 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a 700R4 automatic transmission with overdrive. Power steering, power brakes, so nicely equipped. Black paint on this one does show well. A couple things I'll point out as we go around with black. You may have a little imperfection here or there, but let's take a look at the front of this. Chrome grille, red highlights, of course the 47 with the marker lights, blinkers up front above the grille. Bright work, chrome. Take a look at it. It shines and again shows well. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this, you can check out the engine bay, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course our phone number 507-386-1726. Feel free to give us a call. Take a look at the reflection coming off the wall behind me so you can tell the paint does have a nice luster to it. A couple things I want to point out. The vent is still working and it is power now. It's kind of cool. I'll show you when we get around to the driver's side. Of course this antenna, I did leave it up. So we're going to turn on the radio in a bit and show you how that works, but that can be turned and also tipped down between the divider and the windshield. Take a peek at that interior from the passenger side. Like I said, mahogany leather, deep, rich looking interior. And take a look at this dash. You gotta love all the chrome. 47 dash, kind of that Art Deco yet cool looking dash. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. In the trunk, the battery has been relocated. There is also a battery shutoff switch in the trunk that you can see in the still pictures. Flowmaster exhaust, I believe what was on this one. And again, still pictures, you can check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below the video in the description. Is going to take you right there. FYI, 327 underneath the hood was actually rebuilt here by a local engine builder, well known and renowned for quality work. According to the previous owner, 4,000 miles or so on that build. One thing you want to take a look at is look at that bright work, how well it lines up. And then again, the reflection in that paint, well, it shows there was an imperfection down here. I wanted to point out a little bit of kind of a little cracking and probably for some previous work. And then I wanted to show you this door also. Take a look at how easily and nicely that door closes. And I was going to show you one thing on this passenger rear, maybe a slight scuff. I thought I noticed it a little bit ago, a little bit on this wheel well. I don't even know if it'll show up. There you go, there you can kind of see it. But again, pretty minor. Get in this one, drive it, have fun. It is a manual top, black cloth. We're going to run that up here at the end of the video. Let you check that out too. All right, let's see. A couple other things I want to show you on the inside. I've played around. I have had the radio working, horn working. Wiper worked, but was a little marginal on the driver's side, FYI. A couple things you need to know about. This is the hood release. There's two buttons underneath here. If you can see that, if I can block out that light. Those two buttons, one on the left is for the release of the trunk. The one on the right is for the power vent up front I pointed out earlier. So I'm going to show you how that works. Right there. Now you can see power vent has come up. And again, the one on the left is for the trunk release. Let's go ahead and fire this up quick. See, the gauges do work. Temp gauge up just slightly. Had it running before I was checking the radio. Again, radio does work. And so gauge is working order. And again, you gotta love that chrome dash. Check out the seat condition. All good there. Now I'm going to pause this a second. I want to get a quick look at that engine bay and we'll check out the convertible top. Take a quick peek under here. Chrome valve covers, chrome air cleaner cover, power steering, power brakes, Previous owner also mentioned camelback heads. I have a picture of those in the stills. Edelbrock carb. And again, paired up with an automatic transmission. And you can see engine bay in the still pictures, underside of it. Not a problem there. So check out the still pictures. See, it's a smooth running 327 small block Chev. All right, and let's quick finish up this video. I'm gonna turn it off, close up the hood, and run up the top, and we'll check out the condition of that convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the top up to take a look at. Now, you're going to notice in the pictures, I kind of flipped it a couple different ways, how the antenna can go down there or straight up, FYI, just from a turn of the knob on the inside of the windshield. All right, here you go. So black cloth, manual top, nice shape, free of rips, tears, holes. Going to keep you dry if you need to stay out of the elements, or maybe just want to get the sun off your back, so to speak. Rear glass window. 3 latches on the front of these that lock them into place. 2 on the sides, of course, 1 in the center, and you can see how nice this one does fit up front, nice and tight and secure. Lined up rather well too when I flipped it up to latch it. So there you go, another nice street rod here at Unique, especially in classics. 1947 Ford Deluxe convertible street rod, 327 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.